Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to unsubscribe from emails in Microsoft Hotmail and Outlook. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. Once your email has loaded, navigate to your inbox and locate the email you wish to unsubscribe from. This could be a promotional email, a newsletter, or any other subscription-based message that you no longer want to receive. Go ahead and tap on the email to open it fully so you can access all its contents. Now scroll down to the email's footer. This is the bottom section of the email, and it's where most senders place their unsubscribe links as per email marketing regulations. Take a moment to carefully look through this footer area, as the unsubscribe option is typically highlighted in blue text to make it stand out from the rest of the content. Sometimes it might say unsubscribe, manage preferences, or opt out, but it's usually pretty clear. Once you've located the unsubscribe link, simply click on it. This action will either immediately remove you from the sender's mailing list or take you to a confirmation page where you can finalize your unsubscribe request. The process is designed to be quick and straightforward, ensuring you can easily stop receiving unwanted emails with just a couple of taps. By doing this, you're telling the sender that you no longer wish to receive any email messages from them, which helps keep your inbox clean and focused on the emails that actually matter to you. And that's it. You've successfully unsubscribed from unwanted emails in Microsoft Hotmail and Outlook. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.